Hello, this is a 2006 Toyota Tundra. So, today we're going to be taking apart the dash. I'll be showing you how to do that. It's very easy. So, let's get on with it. I already started. So there's two. If you put these up, there's this screw there and one over there. And I already started taking those out. So the next thing we have to do is take out these. And now there's these screws right here. You can see. Okay. And now I'm going to be taking those out. So now we got that done. We got all three out. Got these two up here out. Now what we're going to be doing is taking this little guy, and I forgot what sign. There's a small sign and a big sign. It probably doesn't matter, but you can probably use either sign. And you're just gonna take it and put it in this crack. I'm gonna set you guys back down and we can go from there. Okay. Now we got that all done, and all you do is kind of just pull it out and slide it down. Just be careful. And you can either set it just down here, or you can disconnect the wires and you can put it somewhere else. But that's how you get in to that part of the dash. So that's pretty much what I got for you guys today, and that's how you get inside. It's easy to do. It probably just took me, I don't know, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. But that's how you get into this part. It's really easy. That's pretty much it. All you need to do is put it back together pretty much the same way. Is you just pick this up right here. Careful with it though. Just kind of like slide it back in. and then this should just come right back in. Kind of, just be careful so you don't break anything. And there you have it. I usually put it all back together, and then I probably will take the 3 screws for right here and put them in first, and then put in these ones. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want, drop a comment down below. If you like, hit the like button. If you and just subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a nice rest